I'm just gonna put like a drop and see how it's gonna like.
Too much?
I get to
Egg
use
yolk.
it. Yeah. My grandparents or grand-grandparents gonna be very disappointed about what I'm doing right now.
Hi, we're here. We're gonna make Ggultteok, which is honey rice cakes that have become very famous worldwide. And we're gonna make them from scratch. We're gonna start from the powder and dough and make them, and looking forward to trying them.
Yeah. So we're gonna start making ggultteok with starting wearing this glove. And this is we got rice flour, rice powder, and we got some water here, and we got sesame oil, and we got salt, and we also got sugar in the back. So we're gonna use these ingredients to make the actual ggultteok today. So we just have to put it in the bowl.
Okay.
All of it, I guess.
Yeah. I think this is like a 1 out of 5. And we're gonna mix it now. I think it's gonna form like a dough.
Making dough is a little bit tricky. Like if little more water, then it's running, and if it is less, then it's dry.
It says pinch for salt. So I'm just gonna... I'm Korean and I never really made ggultteok before. I just bought it from like Ggultteok store. No.
And do they make it themselves, those owners, or do they buy it from somewhere?
No, they make it themselves because they have like machine like to make the powder or like the
To make dough.
yeah, to make dough.
Yeah.
Whenever you're free, you can steam it.
I think we're like experimenting like different things. I made like a little like, shape. It's very like not looking good.
I will just put it, like make it a bit.
Oh, thank you.
These are mine.
We'll definitely have lots of different varieties.
Oh, that looks promising.
That looks cute, little dough.
Yeah, it looks good, and I think it's gonna turn out very well. We're gonna close it and steam for about 15 minutes. Turn on.
Oh.
In actual like ggultteok, we usually have like 3 colors. So one is white, so they can add any like colors, and one is pink.
Pink, and one is I think green.
Yeah, green.
green.
I think usually pink they put like berry kind of like right? They don't use like food coloring. They use like natural like color like sauce.
Like from the
Yeah.
vegetables,
Like,
like beetroot.
Yeah,
Beetroot
or
gives
like,
that pink or red color.
Reddish pink
yeah, or
color.
like berries. And for green they use soup. Soup is more like traditional way to use it.
The first time I tried this kind of thing it was in Japan. I'm not sure it was very similar to this.
I think it's
But
like
then-
mochi.
Yeah, mochi, but then similar texture with the rice.
Yeah, that's true.
Kind of dumplings.
Yeah.
Sesame.
So we got this black sugar. We got this sesame seed. So we gotta combine two.
It's roasted.
Yeah.
Roasted sesame.
So we put it inside of rice, inside of ggultteok. I think it's more like how do you say? It looks more chewy than than powdery.
49. 49.
So I'm gonna take this off of.
Yeah.
It's very hot. Yes.
Oh. There you go. Oh. Wow. So I think
Steam
this
part.
part, steam part, is a bit more powdery. And mine's a bit powdery.
Yay!
Yours are very chewy. They're quite ready to eat.
Mm-hmm. So hot.
Here are they ready. Bit hard.
And I think we have like different
That would be too much water. No?
Wow.
different textures. So I think we have to just improvise and just see if we can make like a chewy dough.
We'll
I
see
think
which one
we
goes
have
good.
to put a little bit more water. I
Yeah,
guess.
mine's quite like crusty, so I'm planning to add a bit more water than I think these two.
Okay, snowball.
Mine are sticky. I don't know what should I put? Hot water, cold water,
I think
oil.
maybe a little bit hot water and some oil.
I'm gonna put some sesame oil too, because it's sticking to my hand.
Yeah.
So I'll just try to use this so it doesn't really stick.
Just gram and gram.
Sesame oil makes it have a different scent.
Yeah, I'm not sure if this is going.
More hot water?
Yeah.
You feel like
My grandparents or grand-grandparents will be very disappointed about what I'm doing right now.
I guess now the consistency is quite good.
Oh.
Quite warm.
Warm
Hot.
and hard as well, I guess.
How do you feel about it? I feel quite smooth.
Check this one.
How do you feel?
Oh.
No, I'm not showing. I'm asking you to check it out.
It's good therapy.
Yeah. What do you want? We got
So,
blue, purple, red, orange, yellow, green.
I'll take purple. Let me try with that.
Okay.
Thank you. You put like one drop of
I'll put pink.
I'll go with
That
green.
was-
I'll do the orange
it.
yellow.
Yeah.
Green one.
Yeah, we have green.
It's hard to open with the gloves.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put like a drop and see how it's gonna
Too much?
That might be too
I was
much,
gonna
to be
mix it
honest.
so it kind of.
Yeah.
It'll be a good or
It looks like
Good yellow.
buffalo sauce, buffalo wing sauce.
Yeah. I get to
Egg
use
yolk.
it. Yeah.
It feels like coloring the clay. We used to color the clay like that.
Oh.
Wow, that color's very bright. Shining.
Alright. I think this is good. I'll use less. Yours looks like cotton candy.
Yeah, I love this color. Oh wow, that looks very. It doesn't look like edible. Like it looks very fake. It looks very.
Play-Doh.
Yeah, Play-Doh. I think I'm just gonna like wrap it up like a dumpling. Yeah, I'm just gonna like
I'm
make it like a
watching-
thin layer. And just...
No, really.
Well,
I'm gonna put some stuff in that. Sweet.
I think it's very hard to make because I tried to roll it and now it kind of ripped. So, oh wow, that's great.
so is this like the finished product? Eat?
It is supposed to.
Eaten by us.
If you are sure about your creation.
So I think if you steam it, sugar's gonna melt and it's gonna like a bit more like honey.
Normally when I see this on the video, it is like this.
Okay.
You
Ah.
can show it from the close-up.
Like a mini Dunkin' munchkin.
Yeah,
Yeah.
small one.
I think we all have this Ggultteok that we made.
Yeah.
I made like a round shape, which is the more traditional way. And
Mine look like Christmas cookies
Or Halloween cookies.
yeah.
or horror cookies.
I think we can just steam it like less than 5 minutes. I don't think that's needed.
Very colorful. This is really hot.
I'm just gonna turn it off.
Maybe
Yeah.
just take out this lid and then.
Let it cool down.
Yeah.
That might be a separate.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's a different type of metal that won't be hot.
I think is that like oil? Is that your
That's my huge one.
It will
Leftover.
be very
Yeah.
hot. Be careful.
Huh?
Is it hot?
Yes.
I think the sugar got melted from top.
Yeah.
On the
Oh,
cookies.
that's why it's like more like sweaty looking.
Okay, so it's a trend these days to make Ggultteok cereal. So I put milk in a bowl, and now I'm going to put my Ggultteok in, and then I'm going to use my spoon and eat it like cereal. Obviously, I'm not going to take that whole piece at once. It's not bad. It's tasty. But I don't think I can make this as a product and sell it in the store. But the sweetness from the sugar or the honey makes it taste pretty good.
I liked it a bit just because it's sweet, otherwise, again, that chewy problem is still there. And I don't think I would be able to try it with milk.
I have like consistency and sugar. I don't really like is if I put in milk and if I put like hot. This is quite hot right now, so you just put it out. It's gonna turn the milk a bit like
Warm.
yeah, warm, and that's what I really don't want. But I think the taste gonna be not that bad.
Maybe this one is like the really, it brings out the taste
Yeah.
in the rice cake. When the sugar gets melted.
It is tasting good without milk as well.
I'm gonna put this little cute one here in the milk,
Yeah.
and then gonna try it out maybe the one time.
The bites where you get the sugar is really
Oh.
good. The rest of it is just very bland.
Yes.
I would say the taste is really good, and I mean the taste of sesame along with some organic sugar, brown sugar,
Yeah.
and mixed with the rice cake. It is not that chewy. That's what I love about it. I mean, it is a still rice cake full of flavors, and it's really good. Goes good with the milk, except for the chewy part.
I think for mine, I put like less sugar, so it tastes good, but I wish I put like a bit more of sugar. I think when you make Ggultteok, I think you should put like a bit more than you think
Right.
it is, so you have like a very good like chewy like sauce inside of the Ggultteok.
I also think it depends on your taste. Some people like rice cake and then this would taste very good. I like the sweetness, so the sweet part is to me really good.
Yeah.
I put a little bit more sugar and more of sesame in this one, and the taste is really good.
How would you rate your Ggultteok?
I like this really good because I like there were bites that were sweet, but when I've gotten the dock that has the honey inside, I like that really good because it's very sweet.
When you have a bite of it, it feels like a sugar bomb inside your mouth, and it feels good. If someone is having that sweet tooth sort of thing.
So do you get why this is viral? Like eating it with milk?
Those who
I
have
do not.
tried.
I think this is the first time I'm seeing and trying eating hot dog or Ggultteok with the milk. And I mean, it's not like traditional Korean style of having
Yeah.
this one.
I think overall, taste itself wasn't really bad, but we were like not very
We are not used to of it.
Yeah, we're not very used to like how much we should put like sugars or like waters.
Yeah.
But if we are a bit more like used to that, I think we're gonna make better ggultteok.
And I think yes, I think next time we would do
It would
this,
be a
it
good
would be much better.
combination.
I think if you have like kids, you can try this instead of like Christmas cookies.
And then when your kid is bad, you can make them eat it.
Yeah, that's your punishment. Yeah. But yeah, I think overall it was very like fun to make, and it was quite an experience.
Yes,
Okay.
always fun to try something new.
Yeah, that's
It was so exciting to try something new and try it with the milk, mix
Yeah,
it.
I know.
Yeah,
A new combination.
Yeah.
absolutely.
Okay.
So we're glad you joined us. If you watch this video, please click like, subscribe,
And
comment,
share.
and we will see you again next time.
Bye.